Hey everybody, this is Basti, and I wasn't gonna do this because I didn't think I needed to. I thought it was all water on the bridge, but apparently now it's going viral, the shit that happened in Davao, so I gotta address it because it's 2026 and the world is stupid. Anyway, we were there to make people smile, to bring people together, and for everyone to have a good time. That was our only reason to go. And at that moment, I was paying tribute to a very important person in our band who is no longer with us. I was paying tribute to him, to Mon Legaspi. I was paying tribute to Mon, one of the greatest musicians the Philippines has ever known. And a couple of people chose that moment to try and separate people. And that was Bastos. Simple as that. It was Bastos. Tapos. Now, speaking of Bastos, everybody that's now spreading this and making it into something that it isn't and whatever, and it's a political thing now and this and that, you're just separating us some more. And you are making Mon Bastos again, every time. Because the message that I was trying to deliver, which was that Mon Legaspi is no longer with us, and he is missed and he is loved, but he will never be forgotten, is getting diluted by stupid shit. That's it. Everything, like I said, everything is designed to separate us. Everything. All this online shit is designed to separate us and make us hate each other. We should love each other. Us, the people, should love each other. Because at the end of the day, we are the ones who will help ourselves, not the politicos, because the politicos will take care of themselves. We need to take care of ourselves. So stop it, okay guys? Enough. It's stupid. You wanna know who I'm for? I'm for a politician that will put the Filipino people and the country above themselves and getting rich and all of that. That's who I'm for. You tell me who that person is and I'll be there. Alright, ingat.